today's video I do an unboxing of some very cool hand-poured silver which is going in the silverpunk stack. Check this out. Right then, let's get straight into it. Let's get the box open. Now I've got the old trusty knife, the old stainless steel, look at that. Old school, not as cool as some of the other unboxing guys and girls out there, but look at that. Wouldn't cut butter, look. But here we go. It's packed up really nicely. And let's see, I've been buying a few bits and pieces and I thought I'd do an unboxing, as I do enjoy watching other people do them, but I only buy the hand poured stuff. As you know, I do hand pouring, so this will be going into my stack. So let's have a look what we got here. I can't remember, I've been buying quite a bit lately, so there's a few bits coming in, so let's have a look what we got. Well, it's packed in very well. I've just put the tape over it, with just tape on top of the package. Let's get the address book. Right, look at this, really good packing. There you go. So anything else? Oh, here we go. I know what this is. Look at that bad boy. You're getting that straight out the packet first. I don't know if you're getting that because of the reflections, but look at that bad boy. This is one of Rios Precious Metals RPM. Look at that. He's a Hitman 1 ouncer. Let's get this open. How do I? There we go. Oh, look at that, guys. There's his card, look. Premium handcrafted silver, made in the UK. 3/9's fine. Rios Precious Metals. Now this is well cool. Look at this little guy. Does this open? No, I'm gonna get him out because I do like to, you know, the hand poured. You can keep them in the plastic things, but I like to get them out and I'll go in the stack like that. Let's get him straight out. Oh yeah, feels nice in the hand. Look at that bad boy. You getting that? Now this is a little piece that they've entitled Hitman. As you can see, he's got a gun there and a part of the gun there. It's a 1 ounce piece. Look at the relief on that. That's lovely. And obviously on the back there, 3/9's fine. RPM 1 ounce. Lovely antique finish to it as well. Lovely finish. Just really good piece of workmanship. I mean, with this one, this isn't actually sandcasted, I don't think. I think by the looks of this one, this is actually a stamp. So you'd have had to make the die, engrave the design into the die, and then actually stamp it out. So the actual piece of silver will be hand poured, and then you hand pour your 1 ounce of silver, and then you put it under the stamp. Bosh. Put your stamp, but it's an absolute skill. I mean, look at the definition there. Are you getting that? That is so cool. I'm so happy with this piece. That's so cool. And obviously the beauty of this, you can get some lovely shapes, because obviously depending on how the pour comes out, you can pour it in different shapes. I mean, you can have a little mould like that to pour it in, or you can just, you know, go haphazard and you can just do the stamp on whatever you want, so you can get really artistic with it, because it is more artistic, this type of stuff, rather than your generic bullion you see from the mints and stuff. Look at that. Oh, I'm over the moon. So well worth checking out. Rios Precious Metals. There's the card. I'll put there's the website, look, .co.uk. They do lots of different things. They do a lot of skulls and lots of pirate stuff. Obviously us stackers, for some reason, we like a skull and a pirate. So yeah, they do that. They do them antique. They do some lovely tone pieces. I will be going for some more because I want some more of this. They do some lovely tone pieces as well. Some colorized toning like I do. Some of the iridescent bits, but I can't stop looking at that one. That's so cool. And this is just 1 ounce. It's really, you know, good price. I think this one from memory was 31 quid plus the postage, so you can't moan at that. I mean, absolute brilliant price for the skill and workmanship that go into them. You know, it's not that easy to produce stuff like that. But there you go. Just a very quick run through, a little unboxing. Rios Precious Metals Hitman. Cheers.